Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's request video drawing I will be doing BTS V. BTS V is a South Korean singer, songwriter, movie star, he's also in a boy band. This was a request by Carolyn Jimenez, so I hope you like it. I hope I got something that resembles BTS V. I started as always by outlining this in pencil and going over it with my Faber-Castell fine tip outliner. The overriding feature for this character was the light coloured hair. So what I decided to do was add a very dark background. So I, with my Copic markers, I added a cool grey 7 background, which then meant that I could go quite light with the hair. So with the hair, I went with a cool grey 1 and a 3 for the darker side on the left hand side. This was quite a simple drawing to colour in. I only used black, cool grey 7, cool grey 1 and cool grey 3. That was it. I used a highlighter pen for a little bit around the eyes, but apart from that, it was pretty much a black and white picture. I thought it would look quite good against the background. I added a comic strip background as well, border with the black Copic marker. This took me about an hour and a half in total, so it wasn't one of my longer drawings. Very different to what I've been doing. Enjoyed it nonetheless. I hope this resembles the character, the person that you were looking for, Carolyn. I did my best with it. I had to fill up one of my Copic markers halfway through on the face, so it did come out slightly streaky. But again, really enjoyed doing this. I'm really enjoying doing the anime and the manga style drawings. Thank you so much, guys, for sending in your requests. If you want me to draw anything else, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to find me on the social media platforms that I'm currently also on, which is obviously Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the descriptions to all of those. So it'd be really great to catch up with you guys on there as well. If you've subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. It means an awful lot to small YouTube channels. My channel is growing. I'm really enjoying doing this, so hopefully it's something that I can do full time in the future. So thank you so much for your help so far. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing and hitting the notifications icon. I'm doing daily videos at the moment, and I'm at the end of this one. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think, Carolyn, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.
Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.